I chose Exeter due to its proximity to work, which is also in Exeter. I am enjoying being surrounded by professionals. They've now decided to come to Exeter College to teach us, so you have insider information about your job. Day to day, mainly as it's architectural, we've been doing drawings, so I'll be using Revit, 3D drawing platform where you can create drawings of buildings, you can create floor plans. We've been in the class, but we've also gone out in the surrounding area doing surveying, which is quite good, especially in summer, outside. The way I link college and work together is through the skills, knowledges and behaviours which we go through with my employer and my work-based tutor. See how I'm doing, how I'm progressing, and then how work want me to maybe do better or things I can improve on. When I leave college, I want to do a degree apprenticeship in building surveying. I would say get in contact with the college. I found their support very well. That's how I actually got my job, was through Exeter College, just contacting their careers team, and here I am now.